Region Noqat Secondary School Tayliqbay Temraliyev. English teacher Imraliyeva Zulayqa.
Was a good day, oh what a good day, but it is long gone now, when all the stars fell down. It was a good day, oh what a...
Hello everyone. Now let's begin our English lesson. Today's theme is geographical names. Бүгін біз Қырғызстандағы жерлердің географиялық аттарын үйренеміз. The aims of the lesson: to learn geographical names of Kyrgyzstan's places. Second, they will enrich people's vocabulary. Third, to teach children to love nature, to keep ecology. Now, David and Aygul's dialogue.
Hello, David. Hi, Aygul. I have one great plans this summer. What plans? I want to show you beautiful places in Kyrgyzstan. Okay.
We will learn new words. Burana Tower, Burana Munarası. Alarcha National Park, Alarcha Uluttuk Parkı. Taşrabat, Taşrabat Kerben Sarayı. İssikul, Issıkköl. Manas Complex, Manas Gümbözü. Süleyman Too, Süleyman Tosu. Arslanbab Walnut Forest, Arslanbab Toqoy жаңғағы. Балдар сүрөттө көргөнүңөрдөй, географиялык аттар чоң тамга менен жазылат. Алар тарыхый жерлер. Бул жерлер ата-бабаларыбыздан калган. Бул жерге туристтер да келип эс алып кетишет. Бул жерлер биздин сыймыгыбыз. Now look and listen why we are going to places. Firstly, Aygul's parents are going to take Aygul and David to the Burana Tower to climb of the minaret. Secondly, they are going to Alarcha National Park to climb the mountain. Thirdly, they are going to the Tashrabat to take photographs. Then they are going to Issyk Lake to sunbathe and to swim in the lake. Next, they are going to Manas Complex in Talas City to visit museums. After that, they are going to Mount Süleyman Too to climb the mountain and to visit museum. Finally, they are going to Arslanbab Walnut Forest to walk in the forest and to collect the walnuts. Now, children, we will welcome each other.
David, why we are going Manas Complex? To read the museum. Do you like Kyrgyzstan? I like nature of Kyrgyzstan. I like too. We need to keep this. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Homework exercise 3, page 286. Matching a place. Example 1b. Süleyman Too to climb the mountain.
Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone.